Welcome to the journey, Jenical's journey that is. We're Jen and Mike, two travel professionals taking you along on our adventure. Today we're spending a few hours in Mystic, Connecticut. Let's see what we can find.
At Mystic, Connecticut, this is stop one. It's connected right to the Mystic train station. It's called Mystic Depot Roasters.
While we were here, we enjoyed an iced coffee on their oversized patio, and we were able to watch some cool trains go by. Stay tuned to the end if you're a FOMer, there might be a special treat for you. Inside is a cozy cafe where you can find all the breakfast treats. Next up, we took a scenic stroll across the historic Mystic River Drawbridge. From the top, we spotted a few boat tours cruising below. We're definitely going to check that out next time. Have you ever drank a beer inside of a bank? We hadn't either until today. This is Bank and Bridge Brew Pub, veteran owned. We heard great things about their food here, but we didn't get to try. We only had one drink each, but we'll definitely back. Check out these floor-to-ceiling windows, and did you spot that giant vault in the corner?
We're headed to the Steak Loft, a Mystic tradition for 50 years.
Walking through here felt like walking through a set of 1883, and we loved it. Check out the old school decor up top. Here's a quick glimpse at their menu. Feel free to pause if you want to take a quicker look. We're going to flip it over to the other side so you can see everything that they have to offer. Michael went with the classic cheeseburger and fries, while I tried their teriyaki beef sticks skewers. They were absolutely delicious. Here's a glimpse at my drink. It was a blueberry lemonade. Yum. One thing we would like to note is we both tried to order the au gratin potatoes, which we were excited about. However, they were out that day.
This burger here, top 5. After lunch, we stopped at the Olde Mistick Village for a nice pint of beer. Jealous Monk.
If there's one thing Mystic's doing right, it is all of their outside patios. We love it. Great friendly service at the Jealous Monk with lots of beers on tap, and looks like they offer a all-you-can-drink brunch on the weekends. Cheers to whatever this says in German. This was both of our first times at the Olde Mistick Village, and it will not be our last. Here you can find all sorts of shops, stores, restaurants, and desserts you could imagine. There is the outside glimpse of the Jealous Monk. There was a cute little shop that even offered maple syrup tasting. Here's an old school movie theater that you know Michael wants to go to.
For dessert, we went to Deviant Donuts. We got a Samoa, vanilla glaze, and a chocolate sprinkle.
Sometimes you think you just gotta treat yourself. We hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. You never know where we're gonna go next. We are always exploring New England and beyond. If you have any suggestions on where we should check out next in New England, please feel free to drop it down in the comments, and follow us on Instagram on Jenical's Journey for more behind-the-scene footage. Do you have a favorite restaurant in Mystic that we missed out on? Make sure you also drop that in the comments below for our next visit. Cheers!